Howdy! Today I'm upgrading our thermostat to a smart Wi-Fi one that I got off of Amazon. I'll show you how to install it step by step. You really don't need much for this install: a screwdriver, drill, your phone, and the new thermostat. This one does require a C wire, but luckily I already have one, so the installation will be pretty straightforward. Before you touch anything, make sure you turn off power to your HVAC system at the breaker. This is important. You don't want power running through these wires while you're working. Alright, let's take off the old thermostat. Now before disconnecting anything, take a quick picture of your wiring. This makes your life a lot easier if you need to do a double check later. Here you can see a close-up of my R, Y, W, G, and C wire. The new kit comes with wiring labels, so we'll apply those to each of the wires as we remove them. Now that we've removed the wires, we can go and remove this mounting plate from the wall. The new kit comes with a mounting plate that we'll take advantage of. Once the mounting plate is up, we can start connecting all the wires to their respective areas. Each wire goes into its own labeled terminal, R to R, Y to Y, so on and so forth. And that C wire is what provides a constant power to the thermostat, which is why this model requires it. Once all the wires are secure, we're going to close up this little door here. And then we're going to attach the thermostat. Now it's time to turn the power back on. Now that the power is back on, you'll see the thermostat has entered into a setup mode, so we'll go through that process on the phone.
The setup inside the Amazon Alexa app is really straightforward. It walks you through everything step by step, and the whole process only takes a couple of minutes. The interface is clean, easy to follow, and once you're connected, you can control your temperature right from your phone without any hassle.
Now I can set schedules, adjust temperatures remotely, and hopefully save a little money on energy each month. If you're thinking about upgrading your thermostat, this is a super simple DIY, especially if you have a common wire. If this video helped you out, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. I've got more super simple home DIY projects coming soon. Thanks.